Buongiorno a tutti, benvenuti a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned the closed questions. There was also a quiz at the end. The question was, how do you say do you live in Berlin? A. Abiti a Berlino. B. Abiti in Berlino. C. Abitate a Berlino. The answer is A. Abiti a Berlino. In today's lesson, you will learn to say which languages do you speak. There will be also the conjugation of the verb to speak, parlare. Let's start. I will syllabify each sentences and repeat it 3 times. Please repeat after me. Quali lingue parli? Quali lingue parli? Quali lingue parli? Quali lingue parli means which languages do you speak? It is informal. Quali lingue parla? Quali lingue parla? Quali lingue parla is formal. Let's see how to answer these questions. Parlo. 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 Parlo means I speak. Parlo is followed by the languages that you speak. Let's see some examples. First of all, listen to this informal dialogue. Lola, quali lingue parli? Parlo spagnolo e un po' di italiano. E tu? Parlo solo italiano. Listen carefully. Lola, quali lingue parli? Lola, which languages do you speak? Parlo spagnolo e un po' di italiano. I speak Spanish and a little bit Italian. E tu? And you? Parlo solo italiano. I speak only Italian. Now let's move on to a formal dialogue. Mi scusi, dov'è la via Piave? Mi dispiace, non parlo italiano. Quali lingue parla? Parlo inglese e tedesco. I will repeat it again. Listen carefully. Mi scusi, dov'è la via Piave? Excuse me, where is Piave Road? Mi dispiace, non parlo italiano. I'm sorry, I don't speak Italian. Quali lingue parla? Which languages do you speak? Parlo inglese e tedesco. I speak English and German. Now let's move on to conjugation of the verb parlare. Parlare means to speak. Listen carefully. Io parlo. Tu parli. Lei, lui, lei parla. Noi parliamo. Voi parlate. Loro parlano. Repeat after me, please. Io parlo. Tu parli. Lei, lui, lei parla. Noi parliamo. Voi parlate. Loro parlano. Let's make more sentences. Parli italiano? Do you speak Italian? Sì, parlo italiano. Yes, I speak Italian. No, non parlo italiano. No, I don't speak Italian. Lui parla italiano? Does he speak Italian? Sì, un po'. Yes, a little bit. Lei parla italiano? Does she speak Italian? Sì, abbastanza bene. Yes, pretty good. Parlate francese? Do you speak French? No, non parliamo francese. No, we don't speak French. Parlano bene giapponese? Do they speak Japanese well? Sì, parlano bene giapponese. Yes, they speak Japanese well. Let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. If you want to ask a friend which languages do you speak, you say, quali lingue parli? If you want to ask a stranger, you say, quali lingue parla? To answer, you say, parlo, followed by the languages you speak. If you want to ask, do you speak Italian, you say, parli italiano? You can answer, sì, un po'. Yes, a little bit. Sì, abbastanza bene. Yes, pretty good. No, non parlo italiano. No, I don't speak Italian. The conjugation of the verb parlare, which means to speak, is io parlo, tu parli, lei, lui, lei parla, noi parliamo, voi parlate, loro parlano. I will give you a mini quiz. Please try to do it. How do you say I speak French? A. Non parlo francese. B. Parlo francese. C. Parli francese. You can find the answer in my Instagram account, and you can also find the slides of this lesson. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach days of the week in Italian. Grazie e arrivederci!